back. Now I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to be using today. Now while my husband's sleeping, I'll be able to do this, and then when he wakes up, I can go ahead and vacuum. Now what I did with my vacuum cleaner, let me come in here. I always, I don't know if you can see it, I clean everything out. When I, it fills up a little bit, if I start to see it, get white and stuff like that, I clean it out, and then I replace it with a filter. So we ordered a new filters, and you get 4, and I'll try to find the video and the link so that you guys, if you have the Eureka, this one here, I'll show you this brand right here. I'll put that one also down below. And what you can do is periodically clean out this here, okay? Because I have been to many homes, friends back home, and they will just vacuum and vacuum and vacuum, and it will just be piled up with just all kinds of crap in there. And they never think that it's not 100% secure, but you're putting it all out there. This is one of the reasons why I cannot, I can't stand carpet. I don't like it. No, I don't. So anyway, I clean everything out, and then what I do when I remove this, I soak it and I clean it out and let it dry, and then the next one I just rotate and I put essential oils in here. That's why it looks like that. And I have lavender this time, and it just does what it's supposed to do. But before I do this, I want to get my ozone machine, which I'll show you that, and it'll kill everything out. You just got to make sure you don't have any fruits or vegetables out, okay? You don't want none of that stuff. And just, it'll clean the air, and yes, until you open the door and more crap comes in. Alright, so that's pretty much it on that. So let me go ahead and show you, excuse the light, everything that I have here. Alright, now, number 1 for me is vinegar. When you take vinegar and you spray it on contact, it will kill it. Just spray it and then let it set for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, if you want to be sure, just an hour. Okay, just spray and go about your business, and then you come back and you wipe it up. Now, I'm going to put this in here. Second, number 2 is tea tree oil. Okay, what you do, you just fill it up, 32 ounce, like I said, these are 32 ounce, and you put 20 drops of this here, and then you spray it. The water will dry up, but it will kill it. But this is the number 1 here. Thirdly is hydrogen peroxide. Now, some people mix hydrogen peroxide with water. You can, but I believe in just doing it straight. Okay, the same with the vinegar. Okay, because if you add water, you're diluting it, and the effectiveness is not, really strong. So that's what I do. Now, once I do that, I'll take the vinegar and I'll spray my carpet. I don't have it in my carpet, but this will kill any mold or black mold, period. Once I've done the windows or the bathroom, anywhere where there's moisture, you guys, you need to check. I'll take this and I'll spray my carpet. I don't have black mold in my carpet, okay? I just have a little bit coming up in my windows, and I don't like that. So I'll do that. And then once I spray it, I go behind it to help deodorize. And we all know what this does here. Baking soda. And it helps deodorize your carpet. So I'll go behind this and I'll sprinkle it and let it sit along with the vinegar and do its job. And then when I'm done with that, I use my ozone machine, which I'll get that. Alright, this I had for a while, and I use this to kill whatever is in the air. Bacteria, viruses. Wipe it out. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm going to say about that. And I found a link where this is just one brand. They have some others out there. People are waking up. They're not playing anymore. They're trying to, live healthy as much as they can, especially breathing air. And we only breathe, like I said, 75% of our oxygen. And we only have like 21% in the atmosphere. So I just wanted to show you this here. And I'll put this after my husband wakes up, because I got a vacuum and stuff, and I want to just knock everything out. I periodically, when we leave, we'll turn it on. They have a fan, and then you have the ozone. And then you have the time, low, medium, and high. And it just throws it out into the atmosphere and the air, in the home. Okay, not the atmosphere, in the home. And then you have 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. Now, if I'm leaving within 30 minutes, I'll keep it on low and I'll put it for 30 minutes. And it'll shut off by itself. And that's pretty much it on that. What do you think they have in the hospitals? Hello? You honestly think all those sick people in the hospital, and they're not going to have something like this in the hospital? Really? What about the water? A percentage of the water has to be ozonated. Do your research, you guys. Alright, let me show you. You see that? I pulled the blinds up and I said, OMG. You see? So I have to go and spray this. I'm not playing. And it's over there too. So I'm going to make sure I clean my blinds as well. It's not bad. Really bad, but I can see the spores. That's why I can't stand these carpets. Oh my God. Father, I'm being patient. Yeah. But we got to minimize moisture in the house, you guys. And when people come in here, oh, they're going to take their shoes off. I already got a sign on my door. You ain't getting in until you take them shoes off. Children, or I don't care who it is. And people need to respect you when they come in your house. Now, if you let anybody just bring whatever crap under their shoes, I know I keep saying crap anyway. That's what it is. And they bring it in your home. You breathing all that stuff. Oh, you going to take your shoes off? Hello? Okay, we don't play. We don't play. We say what we mean and we mean what we say. So, that's what they do. They take their shoes off when they come in here. We take our shoes off. We have plastic runners from the kitchen and from going to the bathroom. Okay, these are plastic runners. You can get this at your hardware store. And what we do, we take one piece, run it all the way up to there, and then the other one crosses over and it goes all the way back there. And that's how we do it here in this house. So if you let people come in your house, I don't care if it's mother-in-law, whoever, if they got attitude and you offer them a basket with some socks to put on their feet and they get insulted, well then, I don't know, you take that up with them. But that's why we don't have a lot of people come up in our house, okay? Because you're going to take off your shoes. Because see, you have to make a stand in what you believe in. You understand? So all that stuff, because I got it. Look, let me go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to have some water here. I have some gloves. I'm going to take that off. I'm not ready to put that on yet. But just go ahead and get you some water. You don't have to fill it up all the way. Just get enough. There's 2 lines here, so get enough to where you can wipe and wring. Alright, now, don't use bleach, you guys. You don't need bleach. Alright, now this is to wipe afterward. And stick that in there and let that soak. the rest. Put it in a funnel. Pour that baby right in there. That's good. I'm going to pour some more in the water. Alright, after you do that, there's no need to shaking it because it's just straight vinegar. You want to test it. Open it up. Now, when you're spraying it, you don't want to spray. You want more of a, let's see, like a little bit like that. Just like that. You don't want a mist. You want it a, straight shot. And then you just let it sit there for about an hour. Always have gloves. And don't believe the hype where it won't absorb to your skin. Okay, some of you want to do that, you go right ahead. And then I have the little kids. They have it at the children's hospital. When my daughter goes, I always say, get few. It's usually out when you're getting ready to come in the door or go out the door. So I said, just grab a few. And I use theirs because it has a nice little snug. Okay. Or you can, like I said, use this here. Okay. See how snug it is? And you just pinch. You got to have this on and gloves when you're dealing with mold, you guys. All right, let's go. Wonderful. You guys, you can do it. You can do it. All it takes is patience and endurance. Be able to go through whatever you're going through. You guys, it's worth it. It's worth it to me. My health, my lungs, everything. Now, all I have to do now, since I already did the windows over there, and I cleaned the door inside and out, that's my spring cleaning, and then later I'll go in the back and take care of that. Make sure there's none in the room. Because I sleep there, we sleep there, and we want to make sure that we're not breathing in any type of mold or bacteria. You guys remember to crack your windows. It's very important. If you are one that like to stay in the house and don't like to open up your windows and get fresh air and sunlight, something is wrong. You need to come out of that mental slave mentality and get you some fresh air. If you're unable to get out, crack them windows, open them doors, and let the Most High fresh air come in and enjoy the sunlight with it. I don't know, y'all. I'm going to open up these doors. Yes. Look at that. It's all cleaned up. God is good. Well, I guess I'm done in here. And I'm going to put my ozone now and step out and enjoy this beautiful day. Thank you guys for joining me on this little journey. Small, very journey of cleaning your house, cleaning the black mold. Remember, if you have any problems, if you are a renter, and your landlord, they have some slum landlords out there that don't want to clean up their work, at least tightening up the faucet so that you won't have this dripping, then you call the Board of Health, especially if you have black mold. Watch what they'll do. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.